Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence Channel. So let's look at what happened to the market today and what is the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently, HS Nifty is 50 points higher, Dow Jones is 72 points higher, Nasdaq is also considerably higher. Coming to our market today, again it is a bullish candle. You can see it closed at 16,624, which is close to the all-time high of 16,700. So it is another matter of 50-60 points. So again, we are expecting a good opening for tomorrow also, maybe a gap up. And we have to see nowadays what happens is gap up gets filled in the first half itself and then market starts moving due to the bullishness. Today, the overall market was taken, I mean like the contribution from Nifty happened from most from the financials. Financials itself contributed to more than 70 to 80 points in the Nifty's movement. So Reliance, yesterday I gave a view that it is moving towards 2200. It closed above yesterday's high 2183 yesterday. Today. So coming to Bank Nifty, it made a high of that 587 points today. A good move. It took support around the 50 days moving average. It is close to the the resistance zone of 36,000 levels. So this area is going to act as the uh, sorry, one second. So this area is going to act as the resistance area. So we have to watch out how market clears. But one good thing today is ICC Bank, SBN all hard. I mean like all recovered from the lows, yesterday's lows. SBN, if you see, yesterday it took support at 401 and today it closed at 417. So I'm expecting a movement above 428. It may move towards 450 in few sessions. ICC Bank recovered from the lows of 672 to 694. HDFC Bank is the key player today. It has given a clean breakout. Earlier, whenever it gave a breakout on the upside, whenever it opened, it again fell down. But today, it gave a solid breakout and standing tall. So this area is very aggressive buying area. I am expecting 1578 and 1600 in coming sessions itself. Maybe not now, but in the next, next expiry. Like not more than 2 to 3 weeks. I'm expecting on this, supporting the Fed meeting, which is going to happen on Thursday, Friday. So the bull rally is going to continue further more time. Small corrections or small sector rotations may continue. So in broader market today, mid caps and small caps also started performing. So that is a good, signal. Today, Bajaj Twins both came out with, a huge rally after there was a news regarding that mutual fund, and yeah, both had made close to almost 1,300 to 1,500 points alone. Bajaj Finance, it made 227 points, and Bajaj Finserv close to 1,200 points upside. A clean rally. So coming to IT today, IT was, so as financial was performing today, IT was not that good. But again, still mid-cap ITs were performing good. Metals were not that bad today. FMCG was again a beaten down sector. So sector rotation is happening here and there. So today financials, last week FMCG happened, and previously there were metals. So it is going to be a sector rotation from here on, and we have to clearly be choosy on the market. So coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So tomorrow is one day. Day after tomorrow is the expiry, monthly expiry happening. So most of the switchover happens from this month to the next month. So all this will be busily happening. So anything, I am expecting a short covering, and today we saw the short covering also in the Bank Nifty, almost close to 500 to 600 point short covering happened. So 735, I'm expecting a top out around 36,200 levels. So staying above these levels would be 36,200 levels will be again a rally will be coming, but we have to wait for the data, global data. also, which if it supports. So as of now, the markets are looking fine, bullish. So please stay with the trend and follow the trend, and please follow the price action for the day trade. So that's all for guys. That's all for today, and hope this information is helpful to you. Thanks guys. Good night. Bye.